Have you wondered if all of this is real? Is there more than just the gurus talking? I've got real world testimonials available for you today. People that are working in the system, working with our advisors and mentors to get themselves going, so you can see not words from my mouth, but from theirs. So take a moment, listen to what they have to say. Give us a like if you enjoy the video, comment below, let us know what you think. Subscribe to the channel. We're going to be posting more content all the time to teach you how to be successful as an entrepreneur in this e-commerce world, working on YouTube, Shopify, Facebook, and so much more. Give it a listen.
Teo V is my instructor. Just tell you a little bit about my background. I tried online store before. To no avail. I failed before because I didn't have any support or mentors, and I didn't know what I really was doing. But then the last few days since I've joined the e-commerce club, I'm really excited. Like I said, my coach is Rob and Teo, the instructor. They are doing really great jobs with supporting me, mentorship, letting you know what you need to do ahead of time and the steps to do it in order, in the proper way. So it's hard to fail. It's hard to fail. And they're getting you set up so you're doing it the right way the first time. And that's great. It's really great. So I hope you take this into consideration, and that you're all out there and you're looking to make money and to improve yourself, because I feel like it's improving me already, and make me feel better about myself, and to improve my soon to be online business. And join us. It'd be great to have you with us. Again, my name is Bambi, and my coach is Rob, and my instructor is Teo. Y'all have a great day. Thank you. Join us.
My name is Brian Galvin, and I just started this My Ecom adventure. I'm disabled, 56 years old. I'm not able to work a full-time job. And, until I was injured and became unable to work, I had never worried about money before because I was always able to make good money. Now that that's not possible, I plan to put a great deal of effort into this opportunity and to see just what it can do for me. I'm not afraid of working, and I'm willing to do whatever is suggested to be successful. And my coach, Shade Fenn, seems to be a bright young lady who is very enthusiastic, and I'm glad I had the opportunity to meet her and talk with her, and let the adventure begin. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Cheryl Blanchard Catalano, and I'm in Ohio. I just started working with Ecom Club, and I'm very intrigued. Scott Smith is my coach, and he's been wonderful. He really is a cheerleader and keeps us on our toes. I just got started, but I know it's going to work. And anybody that has problems, just have faith that you can do it, and faith in the system. And I'm sure you'll go far. Thanks, Scott. See you around.